But first, on this Monday, the toy giveaway that helped nearly 3,000 children in need.
But it did have a lot of special meaning for one boy who just lost his mother to gun violence, and he got to spread some holiday cheer and get some back at the same time. Our Karen Jordan has the story. She was there. It is new for us here at 5 o'clock.
It's an annual tradition that gets bigger and bigger every year, a toy giveaway, and hundreds of people lined up even hours before it started, hoping to get a few extra things to put under the Christmas tree. There was a festive atmosphere in this Inglewood neighborhood thanks to the Kidz Korna toy giveaway, making the holidays brighter for families in need. Delise Williams organizes the event in its 20th year.
They could walk away with tears saying they don't know what they were going to do for their grandchildren.
But behind the joy is the story of loss for the family of Romeka Meeks Blackmen. She was shot and killed back in September while dropping off her son at school. Another woman has been charged with first-degree murder. Blackmen's mother, Tina McMiller, says she is struggling.
It's very hard. It's very hard.
McMiller brought Blackmen's 7-year-old son, Amir, to help hand out toys, spreading the kindness they say Romeka embodied every day.
I'm trying to stay focused and give him the best Christmas that he could ever have, that his mom would give him. So that's what I'm fighting for.
And families who lined up for the giveaway say they appreciate the generosity coming in the midst of a family's pain.
And it's hard times right now, as it is for everyone in the economy, and so this year is hitting me pretty hard, so this has helped me tremendously.
What I do is, some stuff we give, I pass it along to other kids. Somebody give me something and we double back and give somebody else something.
The organizers say they also hope to announce soon that some of the land that they own here at 65th and Parnell will be developed into a center where part of that space will be designated to help victims of domestic violence. Karen Jordan, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, a great story of the season, Karen. Thank you. We have some breaking news for you.